Okay guys, I neglected the vlog. I showed you guys what I was watching this morning, but truth and honestly, Malik, can I hear me talk? Anyways, truth and honesty, because they were just driving slow as well. Anyways, truth and don't kill me on the vlog, please. Truth and honesty, I went to sleep. I went to sleep several times today, so I couldn't vlog when I was sleeping. Huh? Yeah, more than. So I went to sleep. Every 5 minutes I was asleep. Hi vlog. So Shauna says hi. Does she look like a baddie? And then Malik is in the back. Sorry you can't see us now, but just wait. Just wait until we find some light.
And then
Gonna
bam.
be bam. Actually, and then boom. Gonna be glowing. Yeah. Ooh, just like that. But anyways, I'll catch you guys later. I swear to God, I'll vlog tonight. 'Cause tonight is night out. Okay, badness.
Gravy to dip with the chips. Oh, there's food everywhere, to be honest. This Saturday I have Midnight Mafia, and this is what we're eating to get Midnight Mafia body ready, guys. The chicken skin.
I literally ordered so much. I also have a bowl of ranch over here because
Really?
You know about it?
No.
George L1. The quiz company. The same like have this school challenge quiz. Right, the primary one to have big something. And him at the coach read. Remember the on TV?
He's strict. He has that.
Yeah, him on TV. Him is on TV all the time. Him win debating competition. Them supposed to treat him like a king at the
Yeah.
school.
Give him a raise.
In dedicate the time, you know, in dedicate him time to the school. A big something I hear, I say, I want ambitious celebration at when the park, and then the media come and interview the community, because I interview the teacher, interview him. They have to come the next day, and the community get interviewed because George will win schools. Yeah.
Wow.
Big something that was. I mean, so one time they come from school, child, you know, everybody in the road, you know.
So my challenge now is to get some clothes that I want from this suitcase to this suitcase. I'm gonna leave some of these things that aren't for me in the bigger one and travel with the smaller one, and I find that hard because I'm the type of girl who I'll bring 50 outfits and I'll plan them out each day for 50 days, and when day one comes, I wanna wear a combination of day 30, day 49, day 25, and half a day 16 together for day one. So it's gonna be very hard, but I'm gonna be back in about 15 minutes because I need to hurry up. Yeah, be back. So I've decided, I'm still picking out some clothes from that side, but I'm done with that side and I've emptied out stuff that I don't want to be in here. And I'm gonna get all that to fit in my carry-on. I should do a video on how to fit a lot of stuff in your carry-on, but I'll be back in like 5 minutes. Maybe 10. Maybe 10. Alright, don't judge my hair, don't judge all that. My nipples are showing. Dara's gonna have a field day. Don't judge my hair. We don't come here to judge, but yeah. Barely taste any cheese. See that cheese always just there right at the bottom. Yeah? See, mine is beef. Mine it is no cheese. Alright, guys.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow. I did it. No, because we didn't know if the bus guy was gonna take it or if he was gonna charge extra. That's fine. It's blurry. Let me see. I don't know.
Grandpa not
Bring no
smile
mango.
at all.
That's fine.
You bring no mango.
No. I'm fine. Now I can smile.
Take something from me.
Okay.
If you can get a good picture, so.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
This is my grandmother.
You already text it.
I already have grandpa.
You already text it. Me, I tell you, you already text it. Let him have it.
Grandpa eats.
The green cheese.
Aren't they cute? I love you. Grandma said I love you.
I love you. Cheese.
You look tired.
Me, I'm tired, man. I feel really from the beginning. I didn't flew up, but I'm family. Right. Oh, sorry. You get your envelope. Mama, you get your envelope. Come on.
It's Sade.
Sorry, Mama. Sure.
Yeah, Grandma, I do it.
Where you gone? Where you gone? Good night. Alright, so good sizes. Girl, please don't tell me I've been looking the worst I've ever looked. Just getting out.
Don't worry, I get everybody looking ugly at first. It's a vlog, I have to be realistic. How was your travel?
Tiring.
Tiring?
Started out at 3 a.m. Can't be anything but.
What time did you get here?
The flight came in at 11
Oh,
a.m.
okay.
But with connection in Orlando.
Oh.
Orlando was like a 3-hour layover.
Living the life of my dream, living it up with me team. Trusting on myself, me believe. Nobody make nobody tell you say you can't achieve. Living the life of my dream.